Hi everyone, today we have with us Ashutosh and Manvi. We want to talk about your journey, your experience to France during this student exchange program. I have a lot of questions around that, about who sponsored the event, how you are selected, this and that. But main thing I want to know about the party. और मुझे पता चला कि आशुतोष वो party के लिए ही गया था, because when a lot of other countries students come and they study together, तो एक अच्छा माहौल मिलता है. So we'll talk about all these things as we go along. So first thing first, what is the selection criteria for that? But how your college, IMT Nagpur obviously is always famous for sending students abroad. So what are the criteria for that? Do I need to be academically good, or what are the selection criteria?
So there were minimum CGPA cutoff for every student, and after that, faculty took an interview of each of candidate, and the 11 candidates were selected for the final international student exchange program from college.
But that is only for the France. There might be for the other countries as well. So basically, we have to go through an interview, a round of interview, and with a decent academic record. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि डैडी के पास पैसा है तो चलो जाओ बाहर, तो ऐसा नहीं है. So you have to have little bit kind of.
No, sir. They have checked our academic background as well as co-curricular.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. तो पहले ही चेक हो गया कि ये बंदा वापस आएगा पहली बात, और ये बंदा कंप्लीट करेगा अपना एमबीए. नहीं तो जब वहीं से गायब हो गए सारे बजर आधे लोग. Okay, so we understood that. So guys, those who want to go abroad, you have to still study. And unfortunately, academic record अपना साथ नहीं छोड़ने वाला. College में जाके भी we have to maintain a good academic record so that we are selected for that. Next question is around the expense, because the moment we talk about these kind of program, even the tuition fees is up to 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs for a 1 week program. So who is handling the cost of all these activities? Manvi, if you can
So
start.
basically, academic fees part.
Yeah, academic fees.
Yes, sir. So the academic fees part is all covered by IMT Nagpur. We have to basically take off our traveling expenses, food expenses, and that's not something which is a huge amount on student like us. So we can like cater that much amount.
Correct. So travel and food.
The huge part of the huge part of the fees is already covered here. The academic fees we have paid here in the IMT now.
And how much will be that approximately?
So for me, it was like 5.5 lakhs, including accommodation, travel, and food.
Okay, 5 lakh के आजू-बाजू खर्चा आने वाला है.
Yes. Yes, it was also, mine was also around 6 lakhs. And I think I have traveled around 6 to 7 countries. So yes.
मैं आ रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर. मैंने ऑलरेडी ये मैप खोल लिया है, क्योंकि the moment आप जैसे मैंने अभी I was talking to Ashutosh about this, and I was feeling very very jealous about this thing. So you were in Toulouse, right? Toulouse.
Yes.
So Toulouse is southern France. तो वहां से आप स्पेन पास में है, इटली पास में है, फ्रांस तो obviously cover कर ही लिया. So which all countries you covered?
So in France, I went to Marseille and Paris, of course Paris, and then in Spain I went to Barcelona. And for in my session break, there was a session break of 15 days. So at that time I went to Italy. I covered Milan, Florence, Venice, Rome.
और नहीं सुन सकता, बंद करो वीडियो, ये नहीं सुन सकता मैं इससे ज्यादा. और so sorry, you carry on. You the total, the length of the program was for how many months, weeks, months?
3 months.
3 months program. Okay.
Yes.
And you
For
went
me, it was around 4 months.
4 months. Okay.
I was in Neoma Business Rouen, so it for 4 months.
Oh, you were not the same college. You were in a different college.
No. I was in the northern France.
Where you were? Name of the place?
Rouen. It's near Paris. ROU.
ROU. Ian.
Even it took around 4 months for me to pronounce the same.
Oh, from pronunciation होता ही नहीं है यार. It's quite north of France. Yeah. Good यार. हाँ, Paris से. You been to Amsterdam, Belgium, all these places?
Yes, sir. Belgium, Amsterdam, Luxembourg.
Very good.
Switzerland.
अरे वाह. Good यार. तो ये तो हो गया ट्रेवल का पार्ट. एंड देन वहां जाके किया क्या आपने, मेरे को तो पहले ही बताओ, बिकॉज एक और है, देयर लॉट ऑफ स्कैम गोइंग ऑन, लॉट ऑफ बी स्कूल्स, आई नो द कॉलेज, आई कांट नेम देम, दे सेंड द स्टूडेंट फॉर सम काइंड ऑफ अ exhibition going on, and you have to do the kind of back end activities there, so kind of a job, non-paid job. So what were you studying there?
So for me, it was around 7 subjects I have to study, which is a combination of finance plus marketing, where I have even studied investments, Python, and then brand marketing, even marketing strategies. And I have my regular classes from Monday to Thursday, and then they will give me around 3 days to roam around their country. So I've enjoyed the
Very
traveling
nice.
part, and then again back to the Monday to Thursday routine.
Oh wow, very good, yaar. 4 दिन working and 4 दिन studying and 3 days holiday. Super.
So for me, there were total 6 subjects to choose from 30 subjects. There were 30 subjects given to us, but we can choose 6 subjects among it. So there were good options of subjects in finance, marketing, everywhere. I choose particularly general management subjects and finance subjects. So it was quite interesting subjects that I would not get to study in India. So like geopolitics and everything, how geopolitics includes in a business and everything. So it were quite interesting subjects from TBS offered to us. So I selected few of the general management subjects and finance subjects.
Correct. See, when it come to these kind of exchange program, it's not compulsory. ऐसा नहीं कि अगर जो बच्चा नहीं जाएगा उसका जॉब ही नहीं लगेगा, ये नहीं होगा. But of course, this always give you an extra brownie point for the interview. So those who are planning to go, I think those thinking ये 5 लाख खर्चे के ना खर्चे. पहली बात अगर तो आप IMT नागपुर जैसे कॉलेज में जहाँ पे फीस ऑलरेडी कम है, ऊपर अगर तुम गर्ल हो जिसका ऑलरेडी 20% ऑफ है, स्कॉलरशिप उसको मिला हुआ है, then I think you should spend money because this is experience. अभी अगर आपको कॉलेज से बाहर से जाना है तो आपको कम से कम देट विल बी 5 to 10 लाख का ओनली
Definitely.
फीस. ट्यूशन फीस इज 10 lakhs और फिर खाना पीना रहना 5 लाख अलग से. तो उससे बेटर अगर कॉलेज अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा है
Even
तो यू शुड
plus, even our host colleges even given us some complimentaries, like some travel discounts and all.
गो. वाओ,
So
नाइस.
it's really nice to just be partnered with some colleges which are on already top rank of colleges in France.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. And accommodation point of view, you have to stay on the campus, like hostel is there, you have to find outside PG like accommodation.
So it was not from college side allotted to us as we were exchange students. But for me, it was quite easy process. I took Airbnb for 3 months and I got there. But the thing with Airbnb is I would not get any CAF. There is a refund that France government provide to the student. So those who book from Airbnb, they would not get any CAF fee return. So yeah, it's one drawback. But yeah, it's quite easy process to book through Airbnb rather than going through agreement.
Right.
It's
Yeah,
for just
I
for
would go
3 months.
Same
anyhow.
for me.
Okay, superb. Great. Let's move to the last part of the day, that party island place. So डिफाइन पार्टी. आशुतोष, आपने जो वर्ड यूज किया मेरे को जो दिमाग में बैठ गया कि लॉट ऑफ अदर कंट्री का पीपल कम टुगेदर, मैक्सिको एंड देन स्पेनिश पीपल अगर है तो पार्टी तो होना ही होना है कि जहाँ भी आप जाओ. बार्सिलोना
French, sir.
माई प्लेस टू बी. यार फ्रांस के पीपल आर वेरी रूड, मेरे को तो नहीं अच्छे लगे फ्रांस वाले. तो अगर आप मेरे से बात करो तो आई थिंक स्पेनिश पीपल, तो पार्टी करनी है तो स्पेनिश वालों के साथ पार्टी करो. बार्सिलोना में शाम को 5 बजे के बाद इट्स ओनली पार्टी, नथिंग एल्स, एवरी डे 365 डेज. तो डिफाइन पार्टी. तो
So to make a network or connection with the people, we need to go there in their parties and have a good party over there to hang out with them, and then we can make a network with them. So it's quite compulsory. And people outside the India, like from France or Spain, they always party. Means they don't have any weekend party concept or something. They party every day. So
correct.
therefore, it's quite compulsory to party every day over there and make good network. It's opportunity to make a network with
नहीं तो
party, and if
तेरी
you love to party, then
स्माइल
it's
देख
good.
के ही मैं समझ गया हूँ क्या तुम नेटवर्किंग करके आए. आई एम सॉरी. तो मानवी, सेम फॉर यू एज वेल, वाज द सेम काइंड ऑफ अ कल्चर इन नॉर्दर्न पेरिस, नॉर्दर्न अपने फ्रांस आल्सो?
So in northern France, actually, people were very sophisticated.
हाँ वही मैं
They
देखा,
don't
वही
like to
बोलूँ.
make any sound
करेक्ट
after 7,
हाँ.
and yeah. Yes, but there are some defined places like clubs and all, and you can find your good friends there. And definitely, it's just a combination of continents where definitely Spanish ones are the
नहीं,
ones
southern
that just
France
like
is always
to
famous.
party.
Correct.
Yes.
Even northern, the moment he said कि French people want to party, मेरे को थोड़ा अजीब लगा. मैं क्या यार, हमारे टाइम
Sir,
पे
the
ऑफिस में कोई
people were
करता नहीं.
quite friendly or in Toulouse. the people in Toulouse were quite friendly and
हाँ, वो
very
साउथ
friendly
आ गया ना,
people. I got to know.
एग्जैक्टली वो साउथ आ गया ना,
Yes.
पूरा तो अलग हो गया. Correct, correct, correct. So, last question. So, if now you've been to the part, all these things. So, if anybody want to go or want to thinking about going for a student exchange program, will you recommend him to go for an exchange program, or you think it's not that much worth it, more of a hype?
I would definitely recommend it them because you get to travel a lot, you get good friends, you get good network, you get connections over there. You can build, you can also build your good concepts over there. Not only about studies, but everything. You will get clarity over there what you want to do in further. So it's quite good opportunity to go in student exchange program in any country and study over there or have a good time over there. It's
Correct,
best lifetime memory experience over there. We can have lifetime best experience as a student
correct,
exchange program there.
correct, correct. And why you selected IMT Nagpur? Ashutosh, you're from Nagpur, तो आपने नागपुर से नागपुर
Yes.
में आए, and Manvi, you're coming from Bihar to Nagpur. So, what was your main criteria why you selected IMT Nagpur?
So during the selection process, I got three choices with me, two choices with me, and out of which I choose IMT Nagpur over ROI. It was good return on investment. So therefore, I choose IMT Nagpur as my college.
Correct, correct, correct.
Same for me, it was for ROI. Is the trip part to student. So and yes, it's like the most suitable college in this fee structure part,
Correct.
where you can find such good hostels, infrastructure, even these well-trained professors. So yeah, definitely it was always IMT Nagpur over other those colleges I have chosen over.
Superb, superb. So great. Yeah. Thank you very much, Manvi and Ashutosh. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you.
It was, and jokes
Thank you,
apart,
sir.
obviously, we will यार मेरा simple fund है, study hard and party hard. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको
Yes.
opportunity मिल रही है ऐसे बाहर जाने का, please do take it, because otherwise, suppose I'm going almost, I don't not yet finalized, but I'm going next week to Europe. So 2 लाख का खर्चा है सिर्फ एक हफ्ते का, और यही अगर तुम्हें 5 लाख में 3 महीने रहने को मिल रहा है, और अगर ऑफ कोर्स डैडी के पास पैसा है, वो चेक कर लेना एक बार डैडी से बात करके. सो यू शुड गो फॉर इट. इट्स अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस. ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस. Thank you.
Even it's not about like daddy ka paisa. Even some bank also sponsors this.
Oh, loan
Like
हो
for
जाता
in
है.
my case, my bank sponsored it.
Sponsored
So
के
yeah,
लोन?
it's
नहीं
easy
नहीं नहीं,
for
बहुत फर्क है मैडम.
yes.
स्पॉन्सर्ड पेड
Through
बाय द
education loan. Yes,
लोन
sir.
ना,
Through
हाँ लोन तो
education
उतारना
loan I have
पड़ता. लोन
yes.
ना, लोन बोला यार.
So, but,
स्पॉन्सर सुन के मेरा भी कान
yeah.
खड़ा हो गया. मैं भी जा रहा हूँ IMT नागपुर ज्वाइन करने. राइट राइट, ऑफ कोर्स. हाँ, लोन में आप पे वो कवर अप हो जाएगा. ट्रू ट्रू, करेक्ट. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.